A vice is mechanical clamping device, commonly used in industries, and are widely utilized for clamping purpose. Making/machining and assembling a small vice will be an interesting hobby project. A vice is very popular in mechanical technology because of its strong clamping capability with low force requirement. This hobby project will be a very important and visionary project, because it is covering all the major machining aspects of mechanical technology. I have prepared the vice assembly parts drawing. The files include AutoCAD files and a project report. You can download the files from the link given below. You have some questions? Want to make similar project? Feel free to contact epchas@gmail or leave a comment.